All right, we got really to what we were doing right here. And yeah, so we went ahead and pulled the seats. We've already got that side lifted out. Here, let me show you what we got on this side over here. The first person who had a big stereo in here, they had a lot of wiring. So the black wiring is actually my airline. But yeah, we pulled all that wiring because we're not going to have a big stereo system. So we pulled all that out. We pulled the cup holder. If you remember where the cup holder was, we pulled the cup holder out. All this was lifted out, and we got all the excess wiring out. We were able to fish all of the AC controls back up through the dash, and we've got them all hooked in back there. So the AC is back where it's supposed to be. That got this big ammonia hole. No, you got the AC is up here for the vents, and then the radio, which we're going to be able to put that back in. But now we've got the rest of this wiring to go ahead and try to pull out. It's just basically from there to there. We got to lift all this out and get the wiring. So that's what we're doing next. We're both tired. It's getting late. We've done a lot today. So here it is. Aim the flashlight over here. We have got the center console cup holders back in place. It's missing this because they had put the air conditioning controls down there. So we don't have a cup for right behind it. But now that's back together. It looks more like a regular truck. We took the flames off of the AC controls, and we have this open. So now all I got to do is get a radio install kit that I can put right here. So I can hold the regular radio in that, and that'll look more normal. And then, like I said, our cup holders. We found a pretty interesting razor blade in here. We've found a lot of bare wiring and open wiring. This is the door popper controller. We showed you that before, so we're going to try to figure out a different way to possibly put that in there. In here, show me right in there. Like get over here on the side of me there. Down in there on the left hand side, there's a nice big opening right there. We might reroute all that wiring right down in there. So then that way it doesn't have to try to take up real estate with the rest of the wiring right there. We still got to go through and try to figure out the rest of all this wiring that's right here. But for now, we've gotten all that done, and I don't know what this is connected to. It's connected to something that goes to the actual wiring harness on the truck. So I don't know. It's a momentary switch. You click it, it's on. You pull it off, it's off. So I don't know what it's going to go to. We'll figure it out. Maybe somebody watching this knows about that switch that's right there. We're going to put the seats back in and pretty much call it a night. I'm tired. Yeah. The rest of everything is right back here in the bed of the truck, so we can get all that put back together. But yeah, we're going to stick the seats back in right quick. But we got all the wiring out from underneath, so the interior is just about done, except for installing the radio and then figuring this wiring out right there. That's all done, and possibly trying to get into the dash right there and pull all the flames off of the dash so that we can see that. So we don't have to look through the flames, because it burns my eyes. It burns my eyes. But we found the actual color of the truck. It's actually blue. The original color of this truck was literally blue. Oh, I can't even see that. Here, hang on. Let's see how I can get under here. Yeah, I just put all that back. I just put all here. Right there. That color right there. That is the actual color of the truck. So we would like very much to get it back to that color.
Or close to.
Or close to it, yes, at least. So all this will end up being sanded back down eventually. Oh, you ready? I'll stick the seats in, and that's the progress that we've done tonight on the Ranger. So that's one step closer there for the interior. We can get all this button back up together. Then the next thing is is removing a little bit more of the air management, which is the old tank, the gas tank vent filter charcoal thingy, my bobber that goes back to the front of the truck. What are you laughing at me? And gotta get that removed. I'd like to get that removed. We secured the tank in the back of the bed for now. That's just what we're gonna do for now. Is I've got a strap around it, so that'll hold it in place so it doesn't jump around anymore. Redo the air lines for the bags, and then I'm actually just gonna stick the air management for now in the back here. So we'll try to get that all together. I'll be working on that next weekend. Gina goes back to work next weekend, and then what is it? The weekend after that is Sparks. We've got like 2 or 3 weekends left before Sparks in the Ozarks. I mean, if you're going, yeah, we'll be there. Be there. Bring some stickers. So don't laugh. Some of you know. So yeah, we're gonna get this put back together. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment at the bottom, and we'll see you guys on the next video. You guys are full of videos this week.